חזק וברוך, היום 4 ימים לעומר. Hashem Mincha is going to be 7:20. Please be on time. As discussing yesterday, the halachot of Schar Shabbat, we got off on a side topic for a few days about if a person makes money, he works on Shabbat, is he allowed to take that money or is it a prohibition of Schar Shabbat? So we said one of the times that we allow it, that the Chachamim permit it, is if he's not just working on Shabbat. The work involves also something that was during the week. So this is called Schar Shabbat behavla'ah, that it's including other days, and therefore you're not taking solely for Shabbat, and that the Chachamim permitted. Since this is all a rabbinic prohibition, it's not a Torah violation, they adjusted the rules to be how they saw fit. So if it's solely for Shabbat, they prohibited it. But if it also includes the week, so then they said that's mutar because it's not recognizably taking from specifically the Shabbat. Another heter, another basis of leniency to take Schar Shabbat where the Chachamim permitted is if it was a job of mitzvah. What does it mean, a job of mitzvah? For example, a person who's a hazan and he gets paid on a weekly basis to go up and to do the shahari, to do the musaf. He's the hazan. So that person is allowed to collect money for that, even though it's solely for Shabbat. There's nothing else he's doing during the week. He's just doing it on Shabbat. He would be permitted to collect that money because that is a tzorich mitzvah. Or, for example, a person who was hired to give a shi'ur or to teach in a youth program, for example, and the youth program is once a week on Shabbat, it is mutar for him to get paid. It's not a violation of Schar Shabbat, because he's doing it for the sake of a mitzvah. This is also true for Baalet Tokea, a person who blows the shofar on Rosh Hashanah. He's getting paid for blowing the shofar. The same thing, it's called a mitzvah, and he would be able to get paid for such a job. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.